Alright, Toyota front brake replacement. First thing you want to do is take off your cap off your reservoir, driver's side. 22 lug nuts. Come in the wheel well. Move that clip there. So you can remove these two pins. One pin here, one pin there. Alright, once you remove that clip, these pins are rather easy to slide out. Just push from the back. Slides out just like that. Same thing for the bottom. Just push, pull it out. Now you're going to want to remove that clip there. Pretty much just push in, unhook it, clips out. Now you can start removing your pads. This has 4 pistons, so you just want to compress it, pull one out, and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so once you get the inner pad out, I took both pads out. You want to compress those 2 inner pistons first, and then slide that brake pad back in. You can just use 2 pry bars, hold one, and then squeeze the other. Alright, so the pad has a wear strip. You just want to place that one. I put it on the inside, because the inside pad usually wears faster than the outside. So we're just going to slide that in there. And just slide it in like that. Alright, now you want to compress the outer pistons. So you got the inside pad in now. Same deal. Alright, both brake pads are installed. Just want to reinstall your clip. Clip it in. I'll show you how it goes once I get it in. Alright. See the inside of the clips? You have these 2 that hold the pad. Both hooks go in here. You want to make sure it lines up with your hole. Now you're going to reinstall your pins. Probably just put a little WD-40. You want to make sure those holes are facing the right way. Alright, so once you get both pins reinstalled all the way across, your 2 holes lined up, now you're going to reinstall this pin. It slides through that hole and the top hole on this one, and then that notch goes into that little cutout right there. I'll show you when I install it. Alright. See the notch is installed there. That pin's going straight up between those 2. Just reinstall your tire. Cover back your reservoir over there. Pump your brakes before you drive off. And that's the Toyota front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.